Optoturn EAL580, the most compact rotary encoder in its class. With a case length of only 47 millimeters, it is unsurpassed in terms of compactness. Compared to other encoders, Optoturn offers 40% less installation depth. Thanks to its uncompromisingly compact housing, it offers maximum space for your construction. The EAL enables the simplest commissioning and highest system availability. Optoturn EAL580, the most compact encoder in its class, with the lowest installation depth.